Stay down, puppies. Stay down. They are too freaking wild now. Oh, oh. Blue Merle! Blue Merle! Puppies. She stay down here. Stay down here. Eva, come here. There. The only way to film puppies is get rid of Mama. And then he chases me. He chases me. And there's the blue. Both males. And where do the girls go? Oh, they go for the food. Puppies. Puppies. Oh, puppies. Puppies. Little puppies. And there's the little one. Hey. Hi, puppy. Hi. Hi. I know. You're just a friendly one. Huh. And then the little girl, she lays down. Oh, she's a vicious one. The girls, Blue Merle girls on the right, the boys on the left. The girls being bad. They found out that they have teeth now. What are you doing, puppy? What are you doing? You guys want to go outside today? Huh? Want to go outside? Do you want to go outside? Do you want to go outside? Hmm? You want to go outside and be puppies? Want to go outside and be puppies? Huh? Hi, puppy. Hi, puppy.